Hey there, YouTubers. Welcome to my or videos. Today I have another little tip I wanted to share with some of you people who have misters in your farm or your orchard or your yard around your home, whatever. Anyways, I'm going to talk about these, and I'm going to turn the camera around, and I'm going to show you how you clean them. Okay. Anyways, these misters here are always a pain in the ass because some of you guys, or some of you may know that in orchards and vineyards and so forth, some of these hang upside down. You have lines along the posts, and there's hoses that hang down, and these hang upside down. Well, but the problem with that is you get spiders. Spiders like to climb up things. What happens is spiders come in here, they climb up here, go up the nozzle, and you plug up your nozzle. I roughly have about 100 of these I keep on hand, maybe 50 or so. I take them out in the field with me when I'm out doing irrigation. And I have a block out there that has these hangers. So they always plug up, and I just change them out. I just change them out, clean them. Anyways, take them apart, you just twist off. You guys don't know, just twist off. And usually this end gets plugged up. So what I do, I got a piece of wire, a smaller piece of wire. It's actually an old wire for cleaning out torches, a real fine one. And you don't want them. The thing is, you don't want the wire too big because you don't want to you really don't want to bore out the hole. Like once you get the hole oversized, then then your pressure, everything's gonna be all whacked out. So you need to just get a small piece of wire. As I'm losing stuff, get a small piece of wire. Some guys use guitar wire. That works good too. It's very, very small. So anyway, what you do is you just take your wire and you just stick it in there, and you just fling it out, and you tap it on the table, blow it out, and there you go. Very easy to do. Had someone a long time ago asking me about doing a video like this, but you know, I get busy and I forget to do certain videos. And the other thing too, is something you have to think about too. Depends on the water situation. If you have hard water, soft water. Here we have really super hard water, and usually what ends up is, I should say this too, you get a buildup on the end here. You just take your fingernail, you gotta scrape the end to take a bit of a cap off there, and that cleans it. And the other problem too, you get dirt in here, and then it doesn't want to spin. So you have to take that. You have to take a. Sometimes I just take a little scraper. My bench is full of crap. Anyways, a little scraper or something, just scrape out the end out of here, clean it up, and blow some water through the end, this little hole here, because it gets full of crap. You can see that or not? It gets full of crap in here, so you gotta clean that out. And once that's clean, then it'll spin again freely, and you're good to go. Just a quick little tip on cleaning these things out. They're very troublesome, but just have to keep a pocket full of these, your back pocket, and change them out and just clean them. It's easy. The other thing too, you can't clean the whole thing. I just stick it in dish soap or whatever. Clean the whole thing, and it's good to go. Because you get quite a bit of buildup, as you can see there. Anyways, thought I'd post a little video. Anyways, thanks for watching my videos. More stuff coming up soon. And remember to hit that like button and hit the bell notification so you get updates from me regularly. And subscribe. Alright, thanks for watching, and bye for now.